Hey guys, this is a tutorial on how to use this cordless pressure washer that I got off from TikTok shop. So this is all what it brings with, and just make sure you have a Joe battery. I use this DeWalt battery. Just make sure you tighten that up, connect it. And a quick little backstory, I have seen a lot of people complain about the pressure washer, that it's not working, it's not pumping water properly, like nothing's sucking in. So this is my tutorial on how you fix the problem, and there's no water coming in the washer. So you grab this pipe, and as you can see, you grab this tool, unscrew the screwer, and then you put the pipe on the hole there. Just make sure you're using the right hole right there that I'm showing you. And then push that out, and then you're gonna put that other tool. Just make sure you tighten that up. You use all your force because it's a very tight pipe. So just make sure you tighten it up. Screw it back there. Yep. Just like that. Screw it back on. Then I used this other piece that it came with, and then you're gonna plug that in on there. I'm showing you this piece that you do not need. Then you're gonna, as you can see, it's a click, so you push it in and then you twist it. And there you have it. Now you put it in the machine. Make sure it's very tight. As you can see, I was struggling a bit there. Just make sure it's very tight, because what I've seen a lot of in the reviews, that piece is very loose, so make sure you tighten it up. Put all your force. And then you'll see that I got it tight, so just make sure it's tight. Now, the pressure washer comes with this tool that it's going to show in a minute. Do not use that. That's the tool that you put on a bucket to pump in the water. That's useless. It did not work for me, so I'm using something else. So throw that little piece out if the water is not coming in, and use this piece again, unscrew it. Do the same repeat process, put it in the hole, and then screw it back, tap on, and screw it back up. Perfect. Now, you're going to use this other tool, and then you're going to put it in the hole right there. Twist it again, make sure everything's tight. Everything is tight. And now, this is how it should be, so make sure everything's tight. As you can see, everything's tight. Make sure nothing's loose. Check for everything. Now just tighten this up. Just tighten all. Just make sure everything's very tight. That's the number one thing you want to make sure when you're using this machine, because you do not want water spilling everywhere. Now you use this tool. You put it in there. As you can see, it's a twist. And just make sure it's tight. Grab a bowl, fill it up with water. Put that in. I know it's not the pump, but it'll work. Trust me. That's how you turn it on. And then let's see which one's on. So I'm just changing the level. As you can see, it's working. Now I know this is not the original pump that it came with. It's this one, but it does not work for me. And as you can see, I'm using a different technique, and it's pumping out water. So as you can see, I'm testing out the levels there, and then in a few minutes, I'm going to show you guys how to put the soap dispenser. So when you're using the pump, just make sure you are filling a lot of water in it. As you can see, it's not the pump that it came with, but I kind of used something else to bring in that water, which I used that. I'm changing the levels, and as you can see, it's really good. It's pumping out water. And so that's my solution on how to bring that water back up without using the other pump, because I've seen a lot of reviews, and it's technically the pump. So now I'm using the soap dispenser. Just make sure you put your soap in. I'm just going to use dish soap as an example. So as you can see, put in the soap, screw it back up. Then you have to take this out and then swap it. Now, you'll see in the video that I kind of did something wrong. Just make sure it's the bigger side is on the other side. And see how I did it wrong. It was not connecting at all. The top was keep flowing up. Just make sure everything's tight. Now I figured out the problem. I just didn't screw it tight and make sure the soap bottle's in the right direction, as you can see. Now it's tightened up, just like that. And then now we're gonna spray some. As you can see, it's working. This is the foam level. You can almost change it. So you can see it's spraying, it's working. Now I'm using the water to rinse. And yeah, that's basically my tutorial. And it's working for me. It's pumping water. As you can see, I'm not using the original pump that it gave you. I'm using this other way, and it worked for me, and I hope it works for everyone. And I hope this video is very helpful for everyone there, because I know a lot of people returned this item because it was not working because of the pump. And so yeah, this is my tutorial, and I hope this works for everybody. Have a nice day.